Today's topic is to calculate the difference between the adjacent element in the given list. There are three methods to solve such kind of a problem. Method 1, that is a basic approach, method 2 by using the numpy, and the method 3 by using the zip method and the list slicing. Let's start from the first method, that is a basic approach. First, we are initializing our list, that is a list 1, and we are also initializing an empty list in which we are going to store our difference values. Now for calculation, we are going to go through each and every element of our list 1 up to the range from 1 up to the end of our list, and after that we are storing those values after subtraction of the list 1 minus the list 0 element, that is the list I minus the list I minus 1. Since we are starting from the 1, so it will be from the first index minus the 0th index. Similarly, the second index minus the first index, and then the so on. We are storing those values in the list number 2 and we are having them as an output. As you can see it over here, 63 minus 12 tends to be the 51, 143 minus 63 tends to be 80, 87 minus 143 is minus 56, and 123 minus 87 is 36.